Welcome to House of Accounts. In this video we are going to see the non-profit organization questions. It's also known as non-trading concern also. So let's see another question regarding the non-profit organization. If you like the video, you can go to the House of Accounts. If you want to see the more videos, so you can go to House of Accounts playlist of non-profit organization. Here, see the question number 40 is given here. The following particular related to Abhilash Sports Club. Okay, income and expenditure account for the year ended 2006-7. Income and expenditure account is given and receive and payment account is given here. Okay, so what we have to do receive and payment is like cash book. Okay, income expenditure account is like a profit and loss. What we have to do is see here the asset on 1st April 2006 included club ground. Asset included club ground to 26,400. Okay, so on asset on 1st April 2006, so it is given 6 to 7. Okay, 6 to 7 means 1st April is on 1st April means it's before 6. So 1st April to next year 31st March 2007. So on 1st April means at the time of starting only there is a club ground that is 26,400 and equipment 15,000. So this is the opening value. Okay, furniture 2,400 also is there, and subscription in arrears on that day amounted to rupees 480. So means there is already some balances for before starting the receive and payment and income expenditure account. So thus these entries which are given for at the time of starting of the account or preparation of income and expenditure account. So these are known as opening entries. So it will come in opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet means last year balance sheet. Okay, so these entries will we have to take into the last year balance sheet. Prepare balance sheet as on 31st March 2007. So now we have to prepare balance sheet for closing balance sheet means present year balance sheet 31st March 2007. So this in upper entries is given for 31st March 2006. So that after closing that balance sheet the next day 1st April. Okay, so these are entries are there. So now we have to prepare opening balance sheet. Okay, and these balance sheets are also known as opening balance sheet as on 31st March 2006. Okay, so right here, is there any entries what we have to write? First, let's take this entry. Club ground, how much? Ground is 26,400. Now after ground equipment is there and equipment is 15,000. Okay, after equipment there is a furniture that is 2,400. After furniture subscription area on that day how much? 480 is the subscription. So these entries we have taken here. Now let's go to the receipt and payment account. Here see there is a receipt and payment is also known as cash book. Cash book means there is already two balance brought down. Balance brought down means there is already balance in cash book that is from last year. So how much is the cash? 2,520. So this is 2,520. 2,520 is the cash. This is for last year cash 2,520. Now see another entry. Entrance fees for current year only, subscription for current year. These okay, subscription 2005 and 2006 subscription is there. Okay, so these are the last year subscription. How much is last year subscription? See 360 we have receipt here. So this subscription, the total subscription in arrears on that day means overall total subscription. Arrears means pending subscription. Okay, which we have to receive. So these subscription we have already taken 480 here. Okay, so no need to take 360 because 360 is already included in 480. Now current year subscription, this is already we have received. Next year subscription means for 2007 2008 subscription we have all received this year only, means next year upcoming year subscription 240 we have received in 2006 and 7. See here, this is for 2006 and 7, so we have received in advance. Okay, we have received that entry as advance. So this will come in closing balance sheet but not in the opening. It's not related to opening. Okay, this is also not related to opening, so there is only one pending. So don't take this for current year only, not for last year, because we are preparing opening balance sheet, means last year balance sheet. Okay, next rent receipt. Okay, scheduled receipt. Salary is there. Okay, printing stationery. What we have to do is, for preparing of opening balance sheet, both the entries we have to see. Okay, both the entries. See, subscription 9360 is given here. Okay, 9360 is given. Subscription, this is 9360 of last year. Okay, outstanding subscription. But present, this is the next year, we have to take in closing balance sheet. Here salary 6000. See, there is a salary 6000. Okay, here is no salary, so there is present year entry. Printing stationery present year how much? 1560. Presently we have paid for 1560 and this total payment amount is 1560, but here is given present year 1320 only. Salary 600, here 900 years we have paid, means there is outstanding for current year, means we have paid 600 but here is given 900 salary, means extra salary is given. Income and expenditure account is always related to current year only. So for current year cash we have paid 600 but here showing 900, means 300 extra we want to pay. So that is why salary is like this. But here we have paid 1560, but there is only printing stationery is 1320, means there is a previous amount which is not payable. So current year we have paid some amount. Let's check it. 1060 minus how much? 1320. 240 rupees extra we have paid current year in printing stationery. The 240 is for last year. So right here printing stationery is 240. Means what we have to do is, if we paid less and is given here extra, means we have to pay. Now in printing stationery case we have paid extra. Why we have paid extra? Because there is current entry entry is very less, means here we have paid for last year also, so that entry will come in opening balance sheet. Okay, now let's see fire insurance 600 and here is 720 we have paid, and there is it's given 720 but we have current year 620. Here also extra we have paid. So fire insurance is prepaid. Sometime it will also come in prepaid form. Prepaid means we have already paid for insurance purpose. So that would come here. Here investment present we have purchased investment. It will come in closing balance sheet. This is the closing cash. Okay. So all the entries are over. Okay. This surplus also will take into the depreciation surplus. Everything will come in closing balance sheet. All the entries relating to income will come in closing balance sheet. Here let's calculate this one. 26,400 plus 15,000 plus 2,400 plus 480 plus 2,520. The overall entry is 46,800. Right here 46,800. Now what we have to do is we have to deduct the liabilities amount. To get liabilities there is only 240 is there. So capital fund. Okay. So we got some amount that is known as 46,560. That is known as capital fund. 46,520. 520, 560 is there. 46,560. This is known as capital fund. These capital fund we have to transfer to here as a capital fund. So what we have to do is we have to add a detail column here. Okay, add a detail column both the sides. Okay, so now write capital fund here 46,560. Now what we have to do is we have to take the asset increase to here also. Okay, so let's see whether what we have to do any assets we have made any arrangement, or else this ground definitely it won't scale anything, it won't do anything. So pass these ground entry inside first. Okay, first inside let's see whether it is depreciation or not. 26,400. Okay, equipment 15,000 is there. So right here equipment also 15,000. Okay, let's see whether it is adjustment or not. First write in detail column. Furniture 2,400. So write the furniture here 2,400. Okay, so after that substitution definitely it will change. Cash don't take anything, just take the assets only. Now let's go to first receipt and payment, then income expenditure account. Okay, first receipt side. Receipt means income side. There is a balance. This balance we have taken. Balance means it's cash. We have taken in opening balance sheet only already. Interest fees we have received overall 6,300. So current year, this income expenditure is prepared for current year. Income expenditure account means profit and loss account. So this okay, in income expenditure account we will take all the entries related to current year only. Okay, but receipt and payment account, whether it is last year, current year, next year, we will take all the entries because it's a cash ledger. Whatever we receive we will take, whatever we pay we will take. It doesn't care about the years. So now let's see. Interest fee 6,300 means 6,300. Okay, it's completely fine. Subscription. Okay, see current year subscription is 9,000. Subscription here how much? 9,000. Okay, this is last year. Current year how much subscription? 9,000. Here it's showing 9,360 showing. Means we have to receive 9,000 only for current year. Okay, but 360 came. It came from where? This okay, this series 360 is not added here. Okay, because it is related to 2005 and 6 means last year 360. So this 360 it came from where? Means present year we have received 9,000 as a subscription, means these 360 is a outstanding for present year. So right here, okay, subscription here, outstanding subscription. So 360 we have to receive for current year. Okay, so there is 9,360 subscription we have to receive for current year, but we have only received 9,000. So that's why 360 is added here. So we have to take here outstanding subscription. Receivable also we can write. Okay, we can write receivable. Okay, we can write also like this. Now after subscription, here see 2007 and 8 subscription we have received this year only. We have received in advance, means we have completely closed the account, means we have to return it. That's why. So we have received in advance. So take it into the liability side. Okay, so how much? 240. So right here subscription 240, and don't write to this one, write to 7 and 8. 2007 and 2008 subscription, this one we have received in advance. Why? If anything happens we have to return this back, that's why. Rent receipt 2,100. Here rent how much given? 2,400. Means receipt means 2,100 we have received amount rent, but here how much is given? 2400 is given, means there is a chances 300 more we have to receive. Okay, so that is why right here outstanding rent receivable, how much? 300 we have to receive. Outstanding is there. Outstanding is pending. Okay, so more 300 we have to receive. Okay, this is how we have to compare the entries. Now, so all the entries are over receipt side. Now go for payment side. So salaries we have paid current year 600, but here is showing 900, means more 300 is showing, but means more 300 is pending, we have to pay. So write in, we have to pay, means definitely it is liability. Outstanding salary, so right here payable, you have to pay, that's why. How much? More 300 amount for salary we have to pay. Now let's go for printing stationery. How much? 1550 we have paid extra, but is given less, and we have already taken, because of it for last year maybe we paid, that's why. So it's okay. Advertisement 960, here also 960, okay. Fire insurance 720 is given here. Here fire insurance, there is audit fees is given here but not here. So after advertisement audit fee is given here. There is 300 audit fees, but audit fees is not here, means we don't have paid audit fees current year, but here is given. Given means this is we have to pay. So outstanding means pending audit fees payable. How much? Audit fees amount here 300 audit fees. So write 300 for audit fees we have to pay. Okay, audit fees how much? 300. After advertisement direct audit fees, here fire insurance. Fire insurance we have paid 720, but current year fire insurance is only 600, means we have paid extra. We have paid extra means this not a last year, because why it's not last year means it not belong to last year, means insurance already we have to pay for the next year, we have to pay today. Okay, so that is known as prepaid. Okay, for current year insurance we have to pay in current year only. For next year insurance we have to pay next year, or we can pay right now also. So we cannot pay last year insurance today, that is why. So this is known as 120 is a prepaid insurance. It will come in asset side. Okay, it's 120, right? 120 is a prepaid insurance. Prepaid means already paid. In the upcoming year we need not to pay anything for insurance. Like investment we have purchased 12,000. How much investment? 12,000 is there. Here see, after fire insurance depreciation is given but investment is not given. So first take investment. How much investment? 12,000. So right here investment directly 12,000 for investment we have purchased this year. After investment there is a balance. Balance means it's a cash balance, because receipt and payment account is known as cash account. So balance how much? 4,680 is the balance. Okay, so right here 4,680. Okay, and now here see, after fire insurance we have taken investment balance, but here depreciation on equipment 5,400. So we have equipment here, we have to remove the depreciation from this. Okay, so right here minus depreciation. How much? 5,400. Okay, write it in brackets here. Okay, after deducting 5,400, how much is the amount? 9,600 will be the amount. First deduct 5,000, then 400 till 9,600. So after that surplus means profit. This profit we have to add with capital here. So right here add profit of surplus. Surplus, add surplus how much? Right here 8,580. So write 8,580 580. Okay, 8,580. So add these both amounts. Okay, 8,580. After this, is there anything we have to take? No. So we have taken all the amounts. Okay, here and here. So now what we have to do is, okay, first we have to write this one, 46,800. Okay, let's balance tallied. Now come here. Okay, see, ground we don't have any depreciation. Okay, so directly write this amount outside only, 26,400. So remove this from detail column. Furniture also directly write outside because we don't have any depreciation on it. So directly write on outer column. So remove this inner column detail. So this is we have already taken. Capital, now calculate the capital amount. Okay, so 46,560 plus 8,580 is a surplus. Overall 55,140. 55,140. Now write at total balance sheet. 55,140 plus 240 plus 3,600. Okay, so overall 55,980. 55,980. So let's check whether 55,980 we are getting here. We are getting 55,980 now. Okay, so here also calculate. Okay, 4,680 plus 12,000 plus 26,400 plus 9,600 plus 2,400 plus 360 plus 300 plus 120. So overall 55,000. How much we are getting? 55,860 we are getting. How much we need? 55,980 we need. Means there is a 55,830 minus 55,980. We'll get something amount. So outstanding subscription for 2000 we have forget. It's not 2000. It's for 2006. Current year subscription. Subscription current year. Okay, you have to receivable subscription is there. Okay, so let's see where it is. Okay, here see, last year subscription is 360, but last year we have to receive 480. Okay, so we want to receive definitely 480, but current year only 360 we have received, means there is still pending amount. So 480 minus 360, sorry, 360 means 120 still we have to receive for 2005 and 6. So right here 2005 and 6, 2005, 2006. Okay, subscription still 120 pending. Now add all the amounts. 4680 plus 12,000 plus 26,400 plus 9,600 plus 2,400 plus 360 plus 300 plus 240 directly. So 55,980 we will get. 55,980. This is how we have to prepare balance sheet, closing balance sheet. If the question is given like a income and expenditure account and receive and payment account, so at the time definitely it will ask to prepare the closing balance sheet. For that purpose, to prepare the closing balance sheet, we have to first find the opening balance sheet amount. Why we will calculate this opening balance sheet means we want to know the capital fund. What is the capital invested into the business? That capital will be transferred to closing balance sheet. Okay, without capital is not possible to take. Sometime if there is no capital directly, it will give an closing balance sheet sometime only. Okay, so for this is how we have to prepare opening balance sheet, closing balance sheet when at the time of income and expenditure and receipt and payment question is given. Okay, this is closing, opening. Okay, if you want more videos regarding different questions, you can go to House of Accounts, and where there is a playlist of non-profit organization.